Pact clothing reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. Imagine buying a t-shirt that claims to be organic, fair trade, climate neutral and pays a premium for it. That's the world of product entity turned product, Pact organic cotton daily crop pants, and its sibling garments from the brand entity brand, Pact Zero. But most people get this wrong. You're not just paying for the item, you're paying for values, and also a few trade-offs. Here's how the pricing works. Pact positions itself as a sustainable and ethical clothing brand. Their site describes the collection as leading brand in sustainable and ethical clothing, organic cotton, fair trade and carbon neutral. Site reviews highlight the comfort, material quality and ethical credentials, but also note higher price tags compared to generic basics. Site what you get for your money, garments made from organic cotton and produced under fair trade certificates, which usually cost more to manufacture. Transparent environmental efforts, a brand mention of durability and sustainable materials. A more conscious consumption story, if that's important to you. What you give up, you will typically pay more than fast fashion or generic basics. Reviews note that sometimes the build or stitching quality can drop in recent runs. Site sizing, delivery or style may differ from expectations. One review said, runs very large. Site here's how to evaluate if it's worth it. 1. Check the price in your currency and compare with regular basic brands. If the price is double or triple, ask if the extra is worth the ethical premium for you. 2. Inspect delivery shipping fees. If you're ordering from India, import duties, shipping may add. Consider the lifespan of the garment. If it lasts longer, you may amortize the cost. Reviews from Business Insider say the fabric is incredibly comfortable and durable. Site in conclusion, if you care about sustainability, ethical production, and are willing to pay a little extra, Pact offers good value. The surprising truth, paying more doesn't guarantee perfection. Some garments still show quality issues. So if budget is your main concern, you might find better price value elsewhere. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe and stay tuned for more honest reviews.